We're jumping right in today. Today's going to be a quick one, and we're just going to go over the few roses that were not in bloom when we did the rose garden tour. This one is called Gentle Hermione, and I thought it was going to be a more creamy pink, and I guess it is in the right light, but from a distance it looks like white. But see, it's so pretty close up. I guess that's the word gentle. It's so the creamy pink is so subtle. And then this next one that we're going to look at is called Eustacia Vi. Isn't it so pretty? Look at that bloom. The blooms are all over this bush. At least the deer didn't get this one. I love that one. It's so pretty. Love the color too. And then this one is literally my favorite. It's called Queen of Sweden, and the bloom and color on this one is amazing. Sadly, the deer did get this shrub, and so there's not as many blooms on it as there should be. Sorry about that camera shaking for a second. Someone just sped down the road, and I'm trying to cover up my mouth so I don't inhale a bunch of dust. This is why I get so upset when people are speeding. Oh my goodness, another guy. Look at this dust. If you ever drive on a gravel road, please go slowly, especially when you know people are out there working in their gardens, because the dust is terrible. Look at this bud on the Queen of Sweden. It's going to be so pretty. I really love this one. Normally when the deer don't get it, there are a ton of blooms all over this shrub, and it's just so beautiful. I mean, look at these blooms. They're absolutely gorgeous. It's almost got that lavender color of pink, which I absolutely love. And had the deer not gotten this one, I don't know how many blooms would be on it, but as it is, the deer did eat probably about half the buds off of them. And right now there's still 9 flowers blooming, plus another 3 or 4 more buds about to bloom. So despite the fact that the deer ate a lot of them, there are still a lot of flowers blooming and budding. So this is an excellent one. That's why it's one of my favorites, just because there's so many flowers. And then this next one is Emily Bronte. This one is similar to Gentle Hermione in the fact that it is a creamy pink. However, the pink is a little bit more pronounced than the one on the Gentle Hermione. And it has a very good smell. It smells like that old tea rose scent. And it almost acts like a floribunda with all of these roses together on one stem, but it's classified as an English shrub rose. Will I label it my favorites? I don't know. I feel like I said that about every rose so far, but I love this one too. And then this one is Princess Alexandria of Kent. And I just thought I had to come show you the roses in the garden one last time before our heat wave comes and kind of takes the sails out of all of them. I can't believe they're still looking beautiful in mid-July. This one here is the Olivia Austin, which you can definitely tell why everyone loves this one. Look how many blooms are on that thing. It's gorgeous. Absolutely love it. And then finally over here in the corner, this little climber is Zephyrin Druin, and it finally has a couple blooms. I have been waiting. I didn't get any blooms on this at all last year, and finally it has a couple. But that pink is just so bright and colorful. I love this one too. And then this one over here is my husband's favorite. It's called California Dreamin'. I thought I'd show it again while it has more blooms than a faded one single bloom on it. It is gorgeous. Look at all of those. The two-tone colored on that. It's so pretty. It kind of reminds me of the Climber Raspberry Swirl. And it looks like I have a sucker on this Harlow card that I need to cut off. Thanks for watching, and until next time, feed the pollinators for me.